Welcome to Noja Talk. Conversation 41, Spring Cleaning. Hi Jill, what are you doing today? Hi Sharon. Today we are doing our annual spring cleaning. What's that? It's the day we thoroughly clean the whole house. We throw away things we don't need, pack up things to donate, clean all of the rooms, and wash all of the windows. Wow, that's a lot to do. Yeah, it takes all day. Does your family help too? Absolutely. They look through their closets and toy bins to find clothes and toys to donate or throw away. That's a great idea. But why is it called spring cleaning? Because it's done in the springtime. I see. I think we're going to start doing this too. Our house is so cluttered. You should. It makes the house easier to clean. And it's great to know that we're helping others when Jim takes our donations to the local homeless shelter. That's wonderful. I'm going to tell my family about this. Good. Well, I better get started. I have a lot to do. Talk to you later, Sharon. Bye, Jill. Thanks for the cleaning tip.